Hello, ma'am. Myself Ritu Nayak, Class B3, Subject Botany Paper 1. My topic is photosynthetic pigment. Before starting the photosynthetic pigment, we know that the sun emits the different ranges of electromagnetic radiations and उन radiations में जो छोटा सा हिस्सा रहता है वो हमारे अर्थ में एंटर करता है, उसे हम विजिबल लाइट या विजिबल स्पेक्ट्रम कहते हैं। और जो बाकी वेवलेंथ होती हैं जो रिफ्लेक्ट बैक हो जाती हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ ओजोन लेयर, एंड दिस विजिबल लाइट are important for all kind of life on earth, and in this spectrum the different wavelength is present, and this is 380 to 715 nanometer. And we know that the short wavelength have a greater energy and the longer wavelength have a lower energy. So by using this visible light, the plant perform photosynthetic process, and the light energy converted into chemical energy by the process of photosynthetic. So pigment means material that have a ability to absorb and reflect the certain wavelength of light. Light which is reflected is disappear. We can see that by example when we see the green when we look at the leaf, because the leaf of the plant reflect the green and absorb all other. हमको लीव इसलिए ग्रीन दिखता है क्योंकि वो ग्रीन कलर को रिफ्लेक्ट करता है, इसलिए हमको उसका लीव रहता है वो ग्रीन कलर दिखता है। और जो एब्जॉर्ब होता है वो कलर हमको नहीं दिखता, जैसे कि ब्लैक कलर absorb all the wavelength and white reflect all the wavelength. So photosynthetic pigment. Photosynthetic pigment is chloroplast or chromatophore contain the pigment which convert the light energy into chemical energy during the photosynthetic process. And these are three types: chlorophyll, carotenoids, phycobilins. So, chlorophyll. Complex organic molecule absorb the red and blue portion of light and reflect the green, hence appear green. Chlorophyll is a green pigment found with the chloroplast of all the green plant and involved in photosynthetic. It is made of 5 elements: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and magnesium. And the type of chlorophyll: chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, chlorophyll D, chlorophyll E, bacteriochlorophyll and bacterioviridin. So chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll A, it is a blue-green in color, and during the photosynthetics it absorbs the red, violet light of sun. So it contains the methylene group. Chlorophyll B, it is a yellowish green in color and it is a best soluble in methyl alcohol. It also absorbs the red and violet light. And the structure of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is made of two parts, that of a tadpole larva. First, head. It is hydrophilic in nature, and tail. It is hydrophobic in nature. So functions. So here, before starting the function, we here see that the structure of the chlorophyll. Functions. It is helpful in ATP synthesis. It play an active role in the electron transport. It perform the process of photosynthesis in green plant. It is a very important function that it perform the photosynthetics in all the green plants. Now carotenoids. It is a yellow or orange color pigment usually found in the close association with the chlorophyll. They occur in the thylakoids and act as accessory pigment of photosynthetic phycobilins. This red or blue color pigment which are found in blue-green algae, and this pigment are associated with protein and become destroyed at the higher temperature. Thank you.